Hello, this is Alex. Today we're replacing AC line, that thing right there. Mine's been rubbing on the AC compressor pulley. You can see it right there. It's been rubbing, so it's got a hole, a leak in there. So we're gonna replace it. It's a really simple procedure. All you need is a wrench key. Right here you have a cover. I already took off the cover so you can access this line right here. We have only two bolts to unscrew. One right here, and the other one it's kind of hard to see. It's over there. Goes right into the compressor. Very simple process. So just two bolts. One right here. The line goes all the way over there underneath the compressor and it comes up over here, up. You can see it right here. Two bolts, one right here, one right here. Anybody can do it. And this is a 2008 Scion XB we're working on. Let's do it. So those are the two bolts. We have them unscrewed, and all you gotta, what we got left is pull this out. Let's see. There you go. This one. Perfect. Just like that. Oh. Let's see. Oh, like this. Yep. Yep, this is it. Here's where it's damaged. Alright. Let's put this one on. Get this off. Got those green O-rings. I just put the new discharge line. This is the new one. And so to prevent the problem in the future, all you do is just bend this away from the pulley, so next time it won't be rubbing against the pulley. So there you go. Looks way better. And that's how it looks.